show. Welcome to my cooking show. And today I'm gonna teach y'all how to cook eggs. And today I'm gonna teach you how to cook some bread.
Toast.
Whatever. Toast.
Okay.
Before you get started, first wash your hands. See? And wash them good. Make sure you have a permission from a grown-up. Safety first. First you're gonna have a knife, butter, and toast. Bread. A pan.
That's right.
And I'll fetch the butter. It's this way supposed to. Now you can't hold it this way, but you will cut yourself like that. Cut a piece of butter. Now place it in the pan. If you're grown-up, so stand on the stove. First, don't touch the pan because it's gonna get hot. You can use any kind of butter, but you use gluten free. And if you don't, it's okay.
That's okay, huh? Love it.
Now your butter is melting. You can put the bread on top of it. Now you leave it there till it toasts, and then you gotta flip it over.
That's right.
Vanilla raisins. And now we flip it over.
Is it brown yet? Check to see if it's brown.
No.
Flip it over to see if it's nice and brown. Is it brown? Not quite.
Not quite, but we got to flip it back over.
Emmy, close that pantry door.
Mama wants some raisins too.
Okay.
Make sure it's nice and brown. Ooh, it's nice and brown. Yep, it's nice and brown. Nice and brown, nice and brown, nice and brown. Nice and brown, nice and brown, nice and brown. Put it like that. Now let's make a yellow one. Can I make a yellow one? First we're gonna need eggs. We're gonna need 5 eggs and a fork and 1 fork and 1 bowl. Now it's time to crack the eggs. Take the first egg, crack it, let it go. And then you get the next one. Oh. And if the spatter's like that, you need to wash your hands. Now it's time to scramble the eggs. This is the time for the girls to help a little bit. Because it's a hot stove. And make sure you always be careful with a stove. Because stoves are hot. And especially the ones that go up with fire and they don't have covers. Now we're going to cut a piece of butter. But not too big, or else you will maybe get sick. Now we're going to put it on the stove. Now that our butter is melted, we're gonna add our eggs. Pour them slowly. And if you have too much of a little stove, maybe you might, have to take time to do it. Now we're going to get our spatula. Now we're going to slowly stir your eggs as they cook. And if you see maybe a crack, try to get it out perfectly.
You see some shells?
I'm looking for some.
Oh.
Oh, got one. Oh, almost got it. Your mommy might help you a little bit. And maybe I will get a little bit hungry because I'm hungry right now.
You ready to eat?
Mm-hmm. I have to push close now.
You have to wait till it's all done.
Okay.
Scrape the bottom of the pan. You could hold the handle right here. That part isn't hot.
And don't play. Don't play on the stove while you're cooking because you might get hurt and you might touch that part of the stove.
And what would happen if you touch that part of the pan?
You maybe have to get, if you touch it, you maybe have to get a badge and go over it or a piece of ice on it.
Mm-hmm.
And it will really hurt. And sometimes your hand can catch on fire.
You'll get a burn, huh?
Mm-hmm. This is for my mom. It looks like that. And I have my favorite person, it's my mom. Now that the eggs are all done, it's time to eat. You could pick cream cheese and salt and jelly, and you could pick peanut butter,
Sun butter, yeah.
and avocado, and banana, and okay, I don't know.
You could put all those things on your toast, but you decided to put cream cheese. Boo decided to put jelly, and Bubba.
So cream cheese, because you know that cream cheese is good. No, I'm saying. Thank you for watching.